Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and today I'm doing the coolest inspection that I've ever done on this old caboose behind me. They found it in Iowa and brought it to, I believe the town's Dowagia, Michigan, on the existing railroad tracks, and then they took the car off of the wheels and brought it here where it was fully restored. Look at the inside. This is so cool. It's got a wood heater in it. This was gutted, right,
Yeah.
Catherine? Completely gutted.
All the way to the floor. I
Yep.
got pictures someplace I can show you.
Okay.
Got it all the way to the floor, so they put the wainscoting on. They put these, these are original.
Yep. This is.
They had a big Beanie Baby collection. So.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
So those
I'll get out of here.
those become like a little sleeping loft, and the kitchen's back here, and they got a shower, sink, and of course the bathroom, which I guess was located over a hole in the floor.
That's true. That's what it was.
Not like today.
Yeah.
And over here we got a heated towel bar for your towels. And this is one of the coolest restorations that I've ever seen. Got this grab rail on the ceiling here to help you hold on to something to keep your balance. Wow, what a cool project!
Yeah.
What a cool project!
So, this was like Sears. I always had these little. That's actually a stove that works and a refrigerator, and we don't have an oven, but we actually have a microwave.
Oh wow!
Yeah. So I mean, it's definitely livable if someone wants to live here.
Yeah.
Just needs to be cleaned
I
up.
think it would be a great Airbnb.
Yeah. They wouldn't trash it.
Yeah.
That's an idea.
Well, it's all
Mhm.
all
So,
metal.
Yeah, it is.
It'd be pretty hard to
Yeah,
hurt that.
Yeah, I just had it painted a year ago.
All right.
It needs to be replaced, so we're working on that.
Well, thanks for letting me
Sure.
do a little video here.
Yeah.
I'll send you the link.
Okay.